Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So for Valentine's special edition, I have collaborated with Nykaa to recreate one of Janhvi Kapoor's super easy smoking hot makeup look. So when it popped onto my Instagram feed, it was love at first sight. I fell in love with the look. So she was looking smoking hot, and what better look for Valentine's date night, right? Also, I've created a smoking hot red lip look for Nykaa TV, which you'll love, I'm sure. So don't forget to check that out too. I'm going to take this Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks, my nose, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. I tried to curl my hair, but my hair doesn't hold any curls. It's that straight. So I'm left with this. Next, taking the Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation, and I'm just going to apply it on my face. I love how dewy the foundation is. Now taking the Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette. I love this concealer palette. This is in the shade Light, and this really brightens the under eye area. Now since my under eye area is beautifully concealed, I'm going to take this Nykaa setting powder. This is in the shade Rose Beige, and I'm going to set my under eye area. My under eye area looks airbrushed and I'm super happy. So now taking this Wow My Brow Eyebrow palette, I'm going to mix all three shades and apply it on my brows. I'm going to keep it really natural because I love how Janhvi's eyebrows look really natural. So my eyebrows are done, and now I'm going to move on to my favorite part, which is eyeshadow. I'm going to take this Just Wink It eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Crushed Berries. And I'm going to mix these two shades together and apply it on my crease area. I love this eyeshadow palette, and it does not have any fallout. The eyeshadows are super pigmented, and there are pretty colors in it. Moving on to the eyelids, I'm going to use this beautiful gold shade. I'm going to pick some with my fingers and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids, leaving the outer third area. Oh my gosh, I love this gold shade. It looks stunning. And I'm going to use the same golden shade in the inner corners of the eyes. I'm going to take the same two brown shades and I'm going to darken the outer corners of my eyes. Now taking this Nykaa Glamorized Brown Kohl Pencil in the shade Bronze Beam, I'm going to apply it on my upper lash line and lower lash line, and I'm going to blend it really well for a really smoky look. Now I'm going to use this Nykaa EyemBLACK Kajal, and I'm just going to apply it on top of my upper lash line. And then I'm going to smudge it again for a really smoky look. I'm going to take this contour and highlight duo, and I'm going to use this contour shade. This is a cool toned contour and it looks stunning. A little bit on my forehead, my jawline. For the blush, I'm going to use this Get Cheeky blush duo in the shade Malibu Barbie. She didn't use much blush, so I'm going to also keep it at this. I'm going to use the highlighter from the Contour and Highlight duo. She's got a very healthy glow on her skin. It looks like she's glowing from within. To line my lips, I'm going to use this Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy. This is the Nykaa So Creme lipstick in the shade Wake Up Makeup. This one is a beautiful nude. And then I'm going to use this shade, which is called Let It Snooze. And I'm going to use this right in the center. I just applied some lashes. If you want, you can skip this step totally. These are the Nykaa lashes in natural length. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and do not forget to check out Nykaa TV for my other look, which is equally sexy and stunning. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, oh, also the bell button is important, sorry. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth